All right guys, so we're gonna do some quadruped hip CAR. So CAR stands for controlled articular rotations. So basically what that means is we're gonna try to control and get your hip to move at the end ranges of your available range of motion, okay? So as we stretch our muscles, as they loosen up, as we work our joints, it's really good for joint health and really good for you to move and have available range of motion to control, okay? What's good if you have increased range of motion if you can't really control that range of motion? So that's what we're going to try to go over here in the hip CARs, okay? One thing about this is it should be really tough, okay? It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be a nice stretch. It's going to be tough to get in that range of motion. So if you feel yourself just kind of going through it, not really really paying attention to what you're doing, then it's not going to be a really good stretch for you and you won't get anything out of it. So we're going to start on all fours here on the mat, and I'm going to turn here so you can kind of see the back side. So what you're going to want to do is I'm going to start with my left leg here first. So what I want to try to do is with my leg straight out here, right, my foot's pointed straight down. What I want to start out is I want to try to turn my foot inward, okay? That's going to start the motion, and I want to open it up and turn my foot outwards into external rotation. So my toe is pointing that way, right? I want to from there, I want to take my leg, my knee, and bring it up around towards my elbow as far as I can, and then back towards my other knee and end in internal rotation. Okay? Notice how I'm not opening up my hips really far, right? I'm really trying to keep my hips flat and parallel with the ground. Okay, so start out here, I'm turning out, I'm trying to get my knee up to the ceiling, and then I'm bringing it around here, okay? That's one way to do it. You can also reverse it, in and all the way out. All right, that's your hip CARs. As you can tell, I'm struggling doing those, okay? That means they're really, really tough, but they're also really, really good. There's no pain really involved. It's just really, really tough to get your leg all the way around like that because you're just not using that range of motion every single day. It means we need to go get that range of motion and use it as often as we can, okay? So that is your hip CARs. Give it a shot. I think you're gonna like it. It's gonna make a big, big difference in your golf game.